Hello friends, I am here to share with you how can we upload photos on Fit India web portal for Fit India School Week 2020. First of all, as you know that the size of the photos must be less than 1 MB. So I would like to recommend you to install a video compressor app from the Play Store. Here I have already installed the video compressor app shown in green color, and we have to click on this app. You can see a new page opens. Here there are two options. One is compressed video while other is compressed photo. Compressed video option is for compressing videos and compressed photo option is for compressing the photos. Now we have to select the photos from the concerned folder. For example, I am going here on the camera folder. Now I have to select the photos which I have to compress, that is to reduce the size. Now for example, I am clicking on this photo, and this photo this photo and after selecting the photo I have to click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Then another page opens. Here you can see compression quality, so you can arrange the compression quality as per your requirement. Here I have chosen it as 80%. You can take it 67, 70, 75 or 85, right? So I am taking it as 80%. Then I have to tap on the option compress photo. Now you can see that the concerned photos have been reduced to the size less than 1 MB. Now we have to open the browser, and in the browser we have to write Fit India and search. It will take us on the website which is fitindia.gov.in, and here you can see three horizontal lines in the middle. We have to tap here and click on the Fit India School Week 2020, right? Now we have to click on the blue box where it is written register as an organizer. Then we have to click on, as we have already registered, now we have to click on login. Here we have to fill up the email ID of our school, which is upsjakhad@gmail.com. Then we have to fill up the password. Then we have to enter the captcha text, which is small n 7 capital C 1 capital T 5. Next we have to click on login. So you see that I have successfully logged in. Now there are different options. At the top it is written as register as school, welcome government middle school Jakhad. Now for uploading photos we have to click on the option organize an event, right? Now after that you see organize an event. Now we have to organize an event. Here event category, select category, where we have to click here, and there are two options. One is Fit India Cyclothon 2020 and another is Fit India School Week 2020. So you have to remember that as we are celebrating Fit India School Week 2020, not Fit India Cyclothon 2020. So we have to tap on the option Fit India School Week 2020, right? Now I have to upload two pictures which I have shortly the size of the picture which I have shortly reduced. Now choose file. Now I will go to files options. In the files options You can see the two photos which I had reduced. This is one. Next is, again we will go to files, and this is second photo. Now video link. Video, you can upload videos also, but this one is optional. Now you have to select the event date. You have to remember that your event dates must be the date back dates. Your dates can your the dates for the Fit India week must be up to today. You can not enter the date of tomorrow, right? Here, for example, today is 24. I am writing here 24, and here we can write it as 17. 17, sorry, 17 to 24 of December 2020. Next, we have to write the name of the school, which is GMS Jakhar, Jakhar, or you can write the complete name as Government Middle School Jakhar. Then event name, for example, it is long broad jump. Broad jump. This is the name of the event. So if your event is yoga, you can write here as yoga. If it event is walking, you can write as walking. Number of participants. For example, the number of participants are 15. So you can write 15. If the number of participants are 5, you have to write 5. Then contact number. Here I am giving my contact number 9419918368. Then again you have to enter the captcha text, which is small u, capital G, capital T, then O, small o, then D, sorry, then 9, then D, small d. Then we have to tap on the option submit. So you can see that our event has been successfully uploaded. We have successfully uploaded our photos. Now you can check your photos. You see there is my event pictures. You can click here and check your events, the photos of your different events. So you can see that we have already organized 3 events under the category Fit India School Week. This is whole how can you upload photos on the Fit India web portal. Thanks for watching.